I'm performing this beautiful instrument. I just had a nice day with the owners of the Ohana, and I'm going to play my favorite song on this Ohana today, on the Ohana ukulele that I'm now using, and it sounds so awesome. I want you folks to hear it. Thank you, Ohana, for letting me play your instruments. You have great instruments. We're going to do a whole bunch of music with you folks. So here's one.